In this video, I will explain how to make reviewer or editor attachments available to the author with the decision email from Editorial Manager. If there are any outstanding reviews, you may first need to terminate these. To grant access to an attachment, click Attachments and select the reviewer or editor file to share. In the column Allow Author Access, check the box to enable author access for that file and then click Save and Close. Access to reviewer and editor attachments can also be granted when sending the decision email. Tick the Allow Author Access box for all relevant attachments before clicking Send Now. This is how you make attachments available to the author with the decision email in Editorial Manager. Please visit the Journal Article Publishing Support Centre should you require further information. Thank you for watching.